Jamie's just a little bit nervous right now. Oh, yeah. Watermelons are first on the menu. Holy crap! Something went flying! I think we had a total failure of the rig there. What just happened?
What happened was scary as hell.
The axle broke.
Oh, yeah. Oh, dude, the axle sheared?
Look at this.
Oh, it went, oh my gosh.
Well, there's your problem.
Yeah. Oh, shoot. Well, that's the end of today's fun.
Well, you know, I intended to go over the top with my lawnmower from hell. And I guess I did. Maybe a little too much, though. Like we always say, failure is always an option.
And you know, this is the perfect example that you can learn as much from a failed test as a successful one. What we've learned in this test is, well, that Jamie has built something far too dangerous to turn on again. He is literally sitting on a drivable, cutting, whirling, slicing blender of death. Well, we could put another blade on it, to be sure, but we're going to bow out for right now. At least until Jamie can figure out how to make this thing safe. Then we will be back.